Yo, hey guys, SmallmouthCrush. What's worse than fishing in the freezing cold? Fishing in the freezing rain. That's what we have today. Rain on the boat, rains on the road, rains at the boat ramp, freezing rain. Cold, very cold this morning. Temperatures in the 30s. Water temps will be in the 30s as well. So this is gonna be a video on all about cold weather bass fishing. Can we pull it off? We're gonna find out. That's all coming. Joe!
This is dangerous.
Joe, are you slipping?
Yeah, man, this is crazy.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to launch.
You bring your figure skating costume.
Did you bring like sand?
My Prince outfit. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully Will's got some salt or something. This is pretty wild.
Well, there's Will now. Will, this ain't good.
Are you ready, my friend?
No.
This is what we call ice skate fishing.
That's what we've been doing. I almost rear-ended you right there.
We need to skate to the river.
Hey, long time no see, brother.
Yeah, Jesus, Joe, I was wondering when you were gonna come back.
So we're actually concerned that this ramp is glare ice, and
Glare ice.
if we just go backwards, we might just keep going.
Wrap around the
We'll just jackknife the trailer, the truck and trailer. So Will's got a shovel. We're gonna shovel some loose gravel for about 50 yards, I guess.
I'll be a project manager. I think you want some more in this area.
Joe's the project manager. He's like the foreman here on the job.
Supervising.
Oh, here we go, folks. SmallmouthCrush shoveling his way into the fishery.
Pretty good. You can just slide it right down into the river now.
It's kind of like the Arctic Ocean.
I don't ever want to put my boat through that again.
That wasn't that big of a deal.
It was a big deal to me, bro.
Could have been a lot worse. Wait until you see the video. You were sliding down through. Dropping my rod.
You're hooked up, bro.
I know I'm hooked up. What do you think this is? It's a catfish.
Redfin!
I'll take it though.
It's a giant one.
That gets the skunk off for me. He ate it.
It's a
It's a
giant.
zombie.
He ate that thing.
You're pretty proud of that. All right, back to the fishing.
I guess the jinx off his bar.
So we actually ended up running around normal places where we can catch some fish late season. They just were not set up. You know, it was pretty cold. 33 degrees was the water temp. So I'm hoping we can find some bass.
33, same temperature.
Got a hold for that. Going! Walleye. Walleye. Nice bass. Wow. There's a nice one. Silver bite.
Are we?
What you got?
I got a little small one.
Little guy.
Okay, why don't you get him for me, Travis?
For real?
Come on.
Oh my God.
Get him. Be a nice guy.
There you go.
The bass skunk is out of the boat. That was another one that didn't hit hard. That was just a classic cold water bite.
Big Walter.
Cronkite.
Okay, the bass fishing was kind of a struggle.
Slowed, yeah. So I
Slow
decided
today, so we decided to go catch some big walleyes. And that's what we're doing today. Drop shotting Gaggio spirit shads, catching monster walleye.
Where's your net? The size of this water. Oh, get the net. Get that. It's right behind the seat. This is
That's
too
a big one.
This is a big one. Behind the net. Right there. Behind the seat. I'll strap it right there.
That's like an 8-pounder.
Are you kidding me? This is like 12.
14.
Dude,
Get the net. This is a giant, dude.
how does this thing work?
There you go, just like that.
I don't know how it works.
Pull the handle down. Pull the handle down. Pull the handle down. Okay, here it comes. Come on. Here it comes. This is a giant, dude. Look at this monster.
What? Oh my God.
This is what you get when you fish with
Wild Will.
Wild Will's walleye silvers. Look at that thing.
I love it. We're gonna let him go. That was actually just under 10 pounds. It was 9 pounds, 6 ounces.
nice one. Nice.
Nice fish.
Dude, that's awesome.
See you later, mama. Good one.
Nice. Nice. Well, if we can't catch smallmouth, we catch big walleyes,
We'll
bro.
just catch 9 and 10 pound freaking walleyes. I'm all right with that.
Oh,
Travis gets the walleye now.
another walleye. I mean, it beats sitting at home.
Cover it again.
You know that's the line.
Wow.
They're moving right at us.
Well, the walleyes are certainly biting today for us.
Yes, we are.
Fish after fish after fish.
Here we go. Me and the walleyes are the only ones.
How's your
eating
yogurt?
today.
How's your yogurt?
How's your yogurt?
That's good, actually.
Good job, Joe.
Me and the walleyes are the only ones eating today.
Joe and the walleyes are eating good.
Travis got it.
It's a big one. It's a big one.
Here, you want me to film?
Well, once we got on this massive school of walleyes, we kind of just stuck to it and forgot about bass fishing. I mean, it was a lot of fun, and we weren't sure if we were actually going to be able to get on any more smallmouth. We actually ended up running back to one of the areas where we thought the fish might move up throughout the day, and it just never happened. We stayed out till dark, just hammering on the walleyes, blade baits and swim baits. Real slow along the bottom were the key. Also caught a few fish on the spirit shad. Will was drop shotting that Gajo spirit shad, as well as a new prototype grub that I'm really excited to get my hands on next year. Sorry we couldn't put the beat down on the smallmouth, but hey, last trip of the year, I can't complain. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave any likes and comments. And as always, until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.